बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। साइंस पेज नंबर 94 है बच्चों। आज आपका है पार्ट्स ऑफ ए टिपिकल फ्लावर। ठीक है, ये फ्लावर मैं ड्रा करता हूँ और उसके बाद फिर आपको इस बात का, वैसे मैं तो आपके उसका ज़िम्मेदार नहीं, वैसे मैंने अप्रैल की फ़ीस दी, मेरी अप्रैल की फ़ीस भी इसमें कन्वर्ट करें, 7,000 रुपये मैंने दिए और मैडम को बोले कि मेरे पीछे दोबारा लोगों को भेजने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। मैं सारा कटा के इसमें खुद देखती थी, मैं इसको यूज़ कर देती हूँ। इससे आपको अच्छी लगती है, इससे हर कोई अच्छी लगती है। कोई झक नहीं मारी है, यहाँ नहीं रखते हैं बच्चों को तो मुझे बता दें, मैं भी उनको किसी दूसरी जगह पर ले जाता हूँ। शाफत से साफ करके गया था, उसको मुझे से दिया गया, मेरे पीछे टीचर को घर में भेज दिया। अच्छा बच्चों, ये टिपिकल फ्लावर के जो पार्ट्स हैं वो हैं, सबसे पहली चीज़ ये आ गई, इसको कहते हैं स्टिग्मा। क्या कहते हैं? स्टिग्मा। जी, स्टिग्मा आ गया। उसके बाद ये है, इसको कहते हैं स्टाइल, STYLE, स्टाइल। उसके बाद जी ये है इसके ओवरी, OVERY। GYNOCIUM, गाइनिशियम्स। उसके बाद बच्चों यहाँ पर ये जो इसकी पतली पतली ट्यूब्स हैं, इनको कहते हैं फिलामेंट। क्या कहते हैं? फिलामेंट। उसके बाद इनको कहते हैं एंथर, ANTHER, एंथर। उसके बाद है जी, ये है क्रोला। पत्थर को क्या कहते हैं? पत्तों को क्या कहते हैं? क्रोला। उसके बाद बच्चों ये है कैलेक्स, CALYX, कैलेक्स। और ये जिससे ये स्टार्ट होता है उसको पेडिसल कहते हैं, पेडिसल। देखें जी, कहते हैं कि पार्ट्स आर टिपिकल फ्लावर्स। Flower is a most colorful and attractive part of the plant. It is also the reproductive part of the plant. It appears on the plants after the attains maturity or is fully grown. Take a flower and dissect. The flower consists of the flowering plants. Pedicels, the cylindrical portion by which a flower is attached to the stem, is called the stalk. Are the flower attached to the stem is called stalk or the pedicel. In some flowers, the pedicels swell up to flattens to bear the other parts of the flower. This is called thalamus. The rest of the parts of the flower are arranged in the circle called whorls. Sepals. The outermost whorl of a flower, which is green and protect the other parts in the bud stage, is called the sepal. This is also called calyx. Petal. The second whorl of a flower, which is a colorful and bright, is called the petals. Petals attract insects and this helps into pollination. This is also called corolla. कहते हैं कि पेटल्स का क्या काम होता है? पेटल्स जो होते हैं ये कलरफुल होता है, ये कीड़ों मकोड़ों को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करता है, मुतवज्जे करता है, और जब ये इसके ऊपर आके बैठते हैं और फिर इस फूल से उठ के जब उड़ के दूसरे फूल पे जाके बैठते हैं तो ये पॉलिनेशन का काम करते हैं। ठीक है ना? और काल करे स्टेमन, The third wall of a flower is a group of male reproductive parts of the plant. It consists of a long tubular filament and a swollen portion and its top called the anther. This bears the pollen grains are the male gametes. This is also called androecium. Carpel, the innermost wall of a flower, consists of the female reproductive part. This is also called gynoecium. It consists of the three distinctive parts, namely the stigma, style, and ovary. The lower swollen base from the ovary, which bears the ovules. Each ovule is a female gamete. The ovary extends into a cylindrical long style called the style, which ends into the flat sticky portion called the stigma. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther of the flower to the stigma of ovary of the same flowers or another flower belonging to the same species is called pollination. When the male gametes fuses with the female gametes is called the fertilization. Function of the flower help into the pollination of attracting insects. Flower grow into fruits and seeds which give rise a new plant. Fruit, the ovary of the flower after fertilization develops into the fruit. Function of fruit. A fruit is a edible part of plant and it stores food. A fruit contains the seed within the protects it from harsh climatic changes. A fruit plays a major role in seed dispersal. Every seed contains a tiny plant embryo with leaves, stems, and roots parts waiting for the right conditions of that they can germinate and grow. The fertilized ovule is called the seed. It gives rise to a new plant. Seeds are protected by a coat. This coat can be thin or thick and hard. A seed also contains a short-term food supply called the endosperm, which is formed at fertilizations, but is not part of the embryo. It is used by the embryo to help its growth. The baby plant inside the seed is embryo and is protected by the cotyledons, seed leaves. Some seeds have two cotyledons and are called dicot, while some have only one cotyledon are called monocote. जिनके पास दो होते हैं तो उसको डाइकोट, जिसके पास वन होता है तो मोनोकोट. Germination of seed. Given the optimum temperatures, water and light, a seed germinates to give rise to a plant. Function of the seed. A seed protects the embryo and provides nourishment for growth till the new sampling from the roots. Some seeds are light in the weight, while some show hair-like structures which help them to disperse property. Remembering points. सबसे पहला, plants vary in high temperature of systems and branching pattern. Number 2, plants can be grouped into 4 categories: trees, shrubs, herbs, and creepers. Number 3, plants that stand upright with spores are called climbers. Next, plants whose stems are weak and cannot stand upright and are spread on the ground are called creepers. A plant can be divided into 2 distinctive parts or systems called the root system and the shoot system. Plants have 2 types of root system, namely tap roots and fiber roots. Leaves come in many difficult shapes and sizes. Leaves may be simple or compound. Flowers are reproductive parts of most of the plant. Flowers contain pollen and tiny eggs called ovules. After pollinations, the flowers and fertilizations of the ovules, the ovary develops into the fruit. Fruit provides a covering for seed. A fertile ovule is called seed. It gives rise a new plant.